Alright, pretty dusty here. All these remote control little vehicles going. Ooh, yeah. Oh, he keeps hitting there. There's this one. Whew. Ouch, they hit each other. Ah, crash up. Crash up in aisle 9. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! There they go. Yay! Whee! Ah, crash up. Okay, we're at the races, Demolition Derby. That's what it feels like, right? What did she do?
Oh, let go cut off.
Flattened tire. Shredded the tire. She shredded her tire. I need a new tire. The yellow one's up there. Oh, where'd he go? It's already gone. Staying on the hill. Whoops. In between the vehicles somewhere here. Alright, I guess they're taking a break. They're going to fix that tire. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Catch you later. Bye-bye.
Hold it in, man.